Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Today we talk about mushroom risotto, one of my favorite dish. Because I love it so much, I decided to bring to the next level. Facciamo. Ingredients for the recipe are arborio rice, double cream, parmesan, onion, unsalted butter, cheddar cheese, and now the main ingredient, mushrooms and more mushroom, and more mushroom, mushroom, more mushroom, mushroom, and you guessed it, mushrooms. We're gonna prep a special butter, 250 grams of soft unsalted butter. As you can see, it's nice and soft.
Okay, happens to plenty of guys.
Some black pepper, some salt. Now we're gonna blend for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add a few splash of white wine vinegar. Then we're gonna get some cheddar, roughly about 80 grams. Now let's blend for another 2 minutes. At this stage, we can add some tarragon. Let's blend for another minute. After a minute, you should have something like that. Get some cling film. Once we roll that into a sausage, we can put that into the freezer. Next step, we're gonna create a mushroom cream. We need 1 onion, pan, some olive oil, garlic, onion, medium-high heat. After a few minutes, we can add the mushrooms. Don't worry, add them whole. Some salt. Once we reach this color, let's go with the cream. We're gonna lower down the heat. I like to add a little bit of a veggie stock, touch of water, and we're gonna simmer that for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, it's time to blend it. Let's set that aside. And let's start prep of the mushrooms. Pan on, medium-high heat, splash of olive oil, touch of butter. We put olive oil as well to prevent the butter to burn very quickly. We can add our mushrooms. Let's go with salt and some black pepper. We want to keep cook them for about 10 minutes. Always keep on a medium-high heat and keep tossing them. After roughly 10 minutes, they've basically been poached in butter and oil. It's time to put up the temperature to the max, and we really want to roast them until they are golden brown. Once we reach this color, lovely golden brown, it's time to turn off the heat and place the mushroom in a tray. We can take care about our garnish. We need to score the mushroom. To do that, very carefully, go on an angle, just the tip of the knife into the mushroom and go from one side to the other. And now on the other side. Once we score them, we're gonna pan fry it with loads of butter. We start again with our mix of butter and olive oil, medium high heat. We're gonna season the side where we scored them, place them face down. We're gonna leave the mushrooms face down 95% of the time. Once the mushroom is nice and soft at the top, we can flip them. And look at that. Now we will cook them for another minute like that, and we're gonna place them on a tray. Now it's time to cook the risotto. I'm gonna start with no fat, no liquid at all, just cold pan and risotto. Roughly around 300 grams. Just a pinch of salt, not too much. We're gonna toast the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes, just like that. Once the risotto is toasted, hot water. You want to cover the rice and leave a fingertip worth of water. We can go with half of veg stock pots, and from now on we really want to keep an eye on the rice and keep stirring. We need to keep boiling, but make sure it's not too much. Vabbè, se tenete un gas è meglio comunque, un piccattate si fatta che non si capisce niente. After 2 minutes that the risotto is boiling with the stock, we will grab 3/4 of the mushroom that we cooked before, and we're gonna place them into the risotto. All the healthy flavors, the buttery flavor will get released into the stock, and the rice will absorb all the flavor. Before add any more liquid, we wanna reduce down a little bit the first part, and when it's pretty much level with the rice, we're gonna add more liquids into it. We can add a little bit more water. And again, when we reach the same stage, last splash of water. Now we can add our mushroom cream. At this point, we can go on medium-low heat, and we're gonna finish off the risotto very gently. Don't throw in the bin. You can make a lovely mushroom soup with a little bit of toasted bread. When we reach this kind of consistency, turn off. Let's cover it, and we're gonna leave the risotto to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's grab the butter from the freezer. We will need roughly about 100 grams. Butter goes in frozen parmesan, some cheddar, and now it's time to mix it. In Italy, we call that mantecare.
That sounds dirty. Is it dirty?
Once the butter is completely melted, we're gonna have something like that. Super creamy mushroom risotto. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, my friend.